I started my fitness journey in 2016. Just like any other beginner, I used to do a lot of cardio, hours on treadmill, and a lot of running. But then after some time, my trainer introduced me to weight training and CrossFit. I had 1 hour of session, my first session, and that was tremendously awesome. That 1 hour of CrossFit session was full of explosive and intense workouts. And after that, when I reached home, I felt a rush of dopamine inside me, and that actually got me addicted to weight training and CrossFit training. After that, I used to hit the gym every day and I used to love my workouts. And when I reached back home, I used to see myself in the mirror and I loved how I looked. I loved how my body shape changed, and internally as well, I used to feel amazing. And plus, my energy levels were off the charts. I used to feel healthier from inside. And that was the point when I learned that, okay, this is the start of something amazing and my body is going to transform really well. But just like anybody else, I used to face a lot of challenges in the beginning of my journey. Just like anyone else, my family was also not in the favor of me going to a gym, especially a unisex gym. Building muscle was not a girly thing. Building muscle was a taboo, so my family was finicky about it. Plus, I also used to fall sick sometimes. Consistency was a concern. Sometimes I did not want to go to the gym or I was not feeling like it. The time was a concern. But then when something is your passion, you actually make time for it. You put it above anything else. You make it a priority. You build your day around it. You plan your other activities around it. Convincing the family was a major concern for me, and it still is for a lot of people. But trust me, when your family also sees that fire in you, sees that you are consistent with it, you are disciplined enough to do it, they slowly and gradually start to get aligned with it. So maybe your family can also join you in this journey. Try to show them that you are disciplined enough. Try to show the benefits of it. And maybe they see it and they get inspired by it and join you in this. And the one message that I live by is, if something is important to you, if something matters to you, you will fight for it. You will prioritize it and you will make time for it. So fitness is not just my hobby. It's something which is my passion. It's something I live for. And I want to be into this field. I want to make myself fit. This, going to the gym, working out, lifting weights, makes me stronger inside out every single day. The most frequent question that I get is, how do I stay motivated? I don't need motivation. I don't need anybody to motivate me or push me to go to the gym. And you should also not rely on motivation at all. Make fitness, going to the gym, or any form of moving your body a part of your daily routine. Just like brushing your teeth, just like taking a bath. It should be something that you do without even thinking. It is the thing that you have to do in a day, just like praying to God. And if you stay committed through the grind, through the setbacks, you are going to realize something really powerful. You don't just rise, you thrive.